Don't miss any of these 7 things if you want to succeed financially. These are the things the big guys out there are hiding from you. But I will share it free to everyone.
Welcome to Mindful Coins and Wellness. Let's embark on this journey of financial well-being together. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you will have actionable steps to transform your financial life.
Are you ready to know the first step to financial success? Then follow me on these 7 budgeting tips to get you there. Set up financial goal. No matter how much you earn, financial goal is very important. Why? Setting financial goals provides direction, motivation, and control over your money. It focuses your spending, fuel motivation, and empower you to make deliberate financial choices. With goals, you measure progress. Achieving milestones brings satisfaction, and it demonstrates your capability. Whether saving for a trip, paying off debt, or investing for the future, financial goals shape your financial journey, guiding you towards stability and success. There are 2 types of financial goals: short-term and long-term. Short-term goals, such as saving for a vacation or an emergency fund, can be achieved within a year or less. Long-term goals, like buying a home or retirement savings, require more time and planning. Know that if you have a financial goal, then follow me through the next I will tell you. Set up a budget. Ever wondered why some people never seem to worry about money? The secret is budgeting. Budgeting, at its core, is the process of creating a plan to manage your money. This plan outlines how much money you earn, how much you spend, and how much you save. Think of it as a roadmap guiding you towards your financial goals. But why is budgeting so important? A well-planned budget helps you track your spending, save for the future, and avoid debt. It's a powerful tool that can lead to financial freedom and a stress-free life. Keep watching to discover how you can harness the power of budgeting to transform your financial future. Number 3. Make sure you always track your income and expenses. Do you know where your money goes each month? Now that you have your goals, it's time to track your income and expenses. Start by identifying all your sources of income, whether it's your salary, freelance work, or investment returns. Next, categorize your expenses. This includes everything from fixed costs like rent or mortgage payments to variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Don't forget to account for occasional expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Tracking your expenses might seem tedious, but it's an essential step in understanding where your money goes and how you can control it better. Keep watching to learn how to turn these insights into a practical budget plan.
Number 4. Creating a budget plan. Ready to take control of your finances. With a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can now create a budget plan. There are several methods to choose from, and it's important to pick one that suits your lifestyle. Zero-based budgeting. Every dollar you earn is assigned a specific purpose, whether it's for expenses, savings, or debt repayment. This method ensures that your income minus your expenses equals 0. 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This method provides a balanced approach to managing your finances. Envelope system. Divide your cash into envelopes for different spending categories. Once an envelope is empty, you can't spend any more in that category for the month. This method is great for those who prefer using cash and want to limit their spending. Stick around as we discuss how to implement and adjust your budget for real-life changes. Number 5. Implementing and adjusting your budget. Wondering how to stick to your budget? Creating a budget is just the beginning. To make it work, You need to implement and regularly review it. Set aside time each week or month to go over your budget and track your progress. Life is unpredictable, and your budget should be flexible enough to adapt to changes. Whether it's a salary increase, a new expense, or a financial setback, adjust your budget accordingly to stay on track. Don't miss our next segment where we reveal common budgeting mistakes and how to avoid them.
Number 6. Common budgeting mistakes to avoid. Are you making these budgeting mistakes? While budgeting is straightforward, many people make common mistakes that can derail their financial plans. Here are some pitfalls to watch out for. Unrealistic goals. Setting goals that are too ambitious can lead to frustration and failure. Be realistic about what you can achieve within your means. Ignoring small expenses. Small, frequent purchases can add up quickly. Keep track of these to avoid blowing your budget. Not accounting for irregular expenses. Expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or holiday shopping can throw off your budget if you're not prepared for them. Stay with us to learn about the best tools and resources for effective budgeting. Number 7. Tools and resources for effective budgeting. Looking for tools to make budgeting easier? In today's digital age, there are numerous tools and resources available to help you budget effectively. Budgeting apps like Mint, Inab, You Need a Budget, and Pocket Guard can simplify the process by tracking your income and expenses automatically. Ready to take control of your financial future? Budgeting is a powerful tool that can help you achieve financial freedom and a balanced life. By understanding your income and expenses, setting clear goals, and using the right tools, you can take control of your finances and reduce stress. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial wellness. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Mindful Coins and Wellness. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Comment below with your thoughts and any questions you have. We're here to help you every step of the way.